Hey there, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share something incredibly exciting with you. We're diving headfirst into the captivating world of animated videos using the dynamic duo ChatGPT and Steve AI. If you've ever dreamt of creating stunning animations and bringing your ideas to life, then you've come to the right place. So buckle up and get ready for an adventure. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. But before we jump into details, I have a small request for you. If you're enjoying this video so far, please take a moment to show your support by smashing that like button. It helps me out tremendously and encourages me to bring you more valuable content like this. Also, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Alright, let's get started. The first step in our animated video creation process is to explore the amazing capabilities of ChatGPT. I'll create a prompt for ChatGPT asking it to generate a YouTube script with 10 insightful points about finding happiness. To add an engaging touch, we'll also include an intro and conclusion to make the video more cohesive. I'll copy the generated content and paste it into a blank text document or a Google document for easy access. Now let's move on to Steve AI, our trusty companion in the world of animation. We'll select the Script to Animated Videos option and paste the content from our text document into Steve AI. Once the content is loaded, we'll remove any unnecessary sections to streamline the script and ensure a smooth flow of ideas. With our revised script in hand, we'll generate the voiceover using Matthew's captivating voice. We'll choose the same style as before and adjust the audio volume to a comfortable level. After the voiceover is generated, we're ready to bring our script to life. I'll download the animated video and save it in a dedicated folder. To keep things organized, I'll name it Happiness Part 1. And now that we have this downloaded, it's time to bring everything together in Camtasia, our go-to video editing software. I'll import the parts into Camtasia and place them in the timeline, carefully arranging them to maintain a coherent storyline. It's essential to check if the background music matches seamlessly between the parts. If it does, I'll adjust the volume accordingly to create a harmonious audio experience for our viewers. Finally, with everything in place, I'll save the final video. And we've successfully created our animated videos using the powerful combination of ChatGPT and Steve AI. It's truly remarkable how these technologies can work together to bring our creative visions to life. The possibilities are truly endless. And with that, we've reached the end of today's video, my fellow creators. I hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the mesmerizing world of animated videos using ChatGPT and Steve AI. ChatGPT and Steve AI. If you found the information valuable and want to explore more tips and tricks to enhance your product creation process, make sure to subscribe to our channel. We'll continue to bring you helpful tutorials, insightful product reviews, and innovative strategies to make money online. Thank you so much for watching, and always remember that with ChatGPT and Steve AI by your side, the possibilities for your animated videos are truly limitless. So stay creative, stay inspired, and most importantly, stay tuned for the next video.